Hello there, welcome to OnceHub tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to duplicate a booking calendar. To do so, you will need to log into your OnceHub account. Once you are logged in, please click on the booking calendars option given in the left hand side column. It will take you to the booking calendars lobby. From there you can locate the booking calendar that you would like to duplicate. From here, you can just see the booking calendar that you want to duplicate and click on the three dots. And here you will see an option to duplicate. Click on that, and here you will see a booking calendar name which you can update as per your need, and this is applied for the internal use only. Once you're ready, just click on duplicate button again, and the new booking calendar will be updated. And here you can see all the relevant information for this duplicated booking calendar. And that's it. You have successfully created your booking calendar. Thank you for watching.